Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this reverb filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. You have three different options. This is black and white. You can change color also. Okay, and you can tap on the screen to get the time and day. Okay, so to get this effect, what you have to do, visit the creator profile. Nicholas is the creator of this effect. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your Instagram camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. So check in his filter gallery. He's having lots of filters, so check carefully. Okay, and this is the filter, reverb. Tap on it. Okay, this is the filter, and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray, and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filters. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.